And welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today I'm just going to take you along in a day in my life. It's about 8:30 and I've already gone and did my grocery pickup, but there's obviously some things we're going to do today around the house. Try to take the dog for a walk. I don't know if you can really tell out the window. It's super foggy outside. Like, you could barely see stoplights trying to drive this morning. So that was interesting. I literally just got back and put away the cold stuff. So I am going to sit down, probably watch like 15 minutes of TV, and then I need to get started on unloading the dishwasher, reloading from breakfast, and then I did get certain grocery items that I need to restock into containers. So we're going to take care of that as well. But I'll check in with you when we start those things.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Well, now that most of the stuff in the kitchen's done, I'm gonna take the dog outside and then probably sit down for a little bit. It looks like the fog is cleared off, but I don't think it's warmed up fast enough to go to the park just yet for his walk. But I'm gonna take him outside at least, and then I might do a little bit of stretching. My friend that was here last night, we were having dinner and we were talking about how we're getting old. And we can definitely feel it in our bodies, like our backs are sore all the time. And so we were talking about doing like a challenge, like maybe we need to stretch every morning for, 10 minutes just to kind of warm it up and see if that makes an improvement. So we know if we need to do something like that. But she said she did it and she felt better this morning. So I'm going to do it. I should have done it when I first got up, but I didn't. So we'll do that when I come in, and then I can work on a few more things for my list. It is my day off. I don't have a ton to do. Probably just gonna relax and do a little bit here and there, but I'll take you along as I do anything.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. like a camel through the needle every.
Okay, so I just edited a video, a Walmart grocery haul from this morning. That'll be up on Sunday, probably before this. I don't know where I'm going. The next thing I'm going to do, I cleaned house yesterday, but I did not vacuum the rugs, like the living room and my bedroom, with my regular plug-in vacuum. So we're going to go ahead and knock that out now. I'm trying to get as much done as I can so when I take the dog for a walk later, I can come back and shower and just relax, because I do work on Saturday this week. So I hate when my days are split up. It just makes it difficult. So I'm going to get to vacuuming and I'll catch up with you when we're done.
People are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal. 'Cause if there's no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back, couple dials.
Okay, vacuuming's done. I'm going to put away dishes from the prepping I did earlier, and then I'm going to make that fruit dip. I think this is definitely soft enough. And I spoke about this in my grocery haul video. I was wrong. It's cream cheese, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. So we're going to make that up so I have it for dipping apples in. And perhaps strawberries. Riley, are you okay? I think he sneezed. All right, let's get this cleaned up and then I can make this and I'll show you that.
Them out, because time ain't ours. Oh, burn these blocks down, couple miles we could build them up until the sky was as ours. I lived 100 years of solitude with you, and never questioned what gives anyone the right to believe these superstitions outside of human intuition. 'Cause tonight it's enough for me to know that you and I exist inside this paradise.
All right, well that's done. And I'm gonna chill out for a few and then we're gonna go test the waters outside. The sun's been peeking out a little bit, so maybe we can go to the park now. Might have to wait a little bit, but we'll check on that in a minute. So it just got down to the park. Riley and I are going to go for our walk. He's excited to get out of the car, but we've been trying to do a mile once a week. I'm building him up. We did the half mile for a while, and we're going to do a mile today. You ready to go for a walk? You ready?
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing.
And we are done. How you feeling, Riley? Are you hot and tired? I got warm halfway through and had to take my vest off too. But we're gonna head back and I'm gonna get my shower and then probably grab another snack because I didn't really eat a lunch today. So I'm just gonna have some chips and guac and salsa that I have in the fridge. So we're gonna eat and then have a few things I'm gonna do, just chilling on the couch, but I'll talk about that later. So let's get home. All freshly showered. I'm gonna go get my snack. I'm gonna have some chips and salsa and guac. And as odd as it is, I'm going to also have my afternoon cold coffee because I haven't had that yet. So I'm gonna go get my snack. Okay, chips. This is the sweet, I think it's mild sweet onion, Good and Gather fresh salsa. This stuff is so good. chips, guacamole, I don't remember what brand that was, my cold coffee like I mentioned, and I did go ahead and grab a sparkling pineapple coconut water. So I'm gonna munch on this for a little bit, probably watch some YouTube. I would say it was good. I definitely ate that. Couple of things that I'm going to do here now. I need to read a couple chapters of this book. It's called Get Out of Your Head by Jeannie Allen. So far it's really good, but I try to read a chapter a day and I didn't read one yesterday, so I'm gonna read 2. And then I already went ahead and pulled out a couple birthday cards. I have a brother that has a birthday and a friend that has a birthday this month, so I wanted to get those taken care of because one does need to be mailed. So we're gonna take care of this. I'm gonna drink my coffee because I haven't really touched it yet. So once I get the cards done in the reading, the only things that are left really for me to do today, I'm waiting on Amazon. I ordered a new wireless mouse for work. The little roller ball on the top quit working and it's been driving me nuts for a week. So I finally just broke down and ordered a new one. So I need to set that up before work tomorrow. And oh, the other thing I want to do is finally pick a basket to order off of Amazon. So I want to get like a tall woven basket that I can put like yoga mats in. And then down in there I have like my ice skates and exercise ball and the pump and stuff. The red bin has worked for many years. The only reason I had it though was for parties. We used it to put ice in and drinks, and I don't really do that. And I would kind of like something a little nicer now. So I want to get like a taller basket that I can put these things in. And then I think my goal is going to be possibly to try and move this shelf with my exercise stuff over so I can put the treadmill here. That way I can see the TV. Because I'm kind of getting like tired of it being in the living room area, and I kind of think if I could just put it here, it's out of the way, I can use it when I want to. Yeah, so that way I can use it when I want to, but it's out of the way, it's not in the living room. So those are the things that are left on my to-do list. So I'm going to take care of my mess from my snack, get started on cards, and then I'll probably read, and then we'll do the other 2 things. Hopefully if Amazon gets here.
Freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I ordered a basket. I'm gonna put a picture of it over me here on the screen. It's from Amazon, so if it doesn't work, I can at least return it. But we'll see if that works and if I can get that rearranged in there, which I'll take video if I do, but that will be in a different vlog video thing. The only thing I have not done that was on my list was to set up the new mouse for my work computer. Amazon still hasn't delivered it, so I'll obviously do that if it gets here in time because I do work tomorrow and it would be nice to have a mouse that works properly. But honestly, I don't have anything else to do for the rest of the evening, so I'm pretty much just gonna watch TV and relax. I have a bad headache all of a sudden. I don't know if it was because I didn't get enough sleep last night. Sometimes I overestimate how much sleep I'm gonna get because I stay up later and then I get up early anyway, and it kind of screws me up for the next day. So I'm just gonna take it easy, relax, seeing how I have to go to work tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed kind of coming along with me today and seeing what I did. And as always, I hope you have a blessed day.